Yo, wagwan, we're doing a dreadlock review today on Nasio Fontaine. What? Highly requested by Ziri Moore, shout out. Nasio Fontaine was born in 1969, the youngest of 7 children born to a Carib mother and a father of African descent, in the village of Cartier-Bois in Dominica. When he was 8 years old, Nasio began singing in the Bagatelle School and the village Catholic Church choirs. Dominica, definitely a very tropical place. And the dude's got a very interesting look to him as well. Crazy. His locks definitely very much inspired by Marley himself. 100% freeform. And what's interesting about these locks is the fact that they got so thick. This obviously occurs with no separation, but it's also a natural occurrence, whereas some people these days might only attain locks like this through wicks, which is a combination of locks with crochet hooks, but still wouldn't give the same integrity as doing it naturally. So it might look very similar, but the way that they feel and the amount of effort that goes into it through patience is far different than wicks. So we can see Nasio's locks have congoed up. From the beginning stages, they looked like they were a lot more separated. Up until now, we can see the congos happening in a very similar manner that Bob Marley's hair was forming too. You can see the congos taking shape here. What's crazy about this is that after freeforming for an example of like 5 to 7 years, you'll get some congos, but it's still not over. They could still end up forming together to bigger locks after a 10-year mark. Even myself, I'm noticing my locks starting to congo up again with ones that have already congoed, and I'm just gonna let them be. I'm just gonna leave them be, because I am interested in how they're gonna turn out another 5 years down the road from now, and if I can still attain thicker locks than what I have now. So Nasio, definitely a big time reggae artist, inspired actually by those of Otis Redding, Sam Cooke, Burning Spear, Bob Marley, obviously. See him here with the dreadlock tam still on his head. I feel like since he is still alive, it is important for us to pay tributes to his locks, his music, before he's gone. You know, we definitely see that he's been a big contributing factor to the reggae scene, pushing the Rastafari movement, and definitely a huge inspiration in the dreadlock culture. Nasio Fontaine, looking like a true bushman. So sick. So dope. There's a picture of him with his locks. Yeah, they got so thick. It's actually hard to attain locks like this, but what's crazy to me here is that this photo compared to one of the past ones like this, the dreads that congoed together that were loose at the end here look like they were joined up at some point here. Like they don't have those fingers there anymore. So I wonder what happened there. Could he have cut them off at some point? Notice the new growth around his scalp. There is no manipulation. There's no scalp even being shown. Lots of change in color from the sun throughout all the years. His locks have a natural fade to it. And you can actually see what I call the dimples on the locks. These are signs of which the freeform is occurring. And this look you can't actually replicate with any crochet needle. This is a natural occurrence only. and a true sign of the freeformer. Definitely worth checking out Nasio Fontaine's Dreadlocks if you haven't already. I know I'm going to be looking more into his music now that I've been introduced to his vibrations, and I do always appreciate the fact that on this channel you guys might request a Dread review, and then upon doing so, I end up learning about a new artist that's valuable and worthwhile to listen to over the years to come. It's happened many a times. So definitely much love to Nasio Fontaine for all he's contributed in dread-spiring our lock decisions to Freeform. And some even say that he might even look like Bob Marley a little bit. From certain angles, certain photos like this, I can see it. And he's definitely got some amazing dreadlocks. So I'm going to end this video here, a quick little dread review. Freeforms for life, Nasio Fontaine. And I appreciate you guys stopping by here on the channel. If you're having a good day, leave a comment, let me know how you are today. Let's have a conversation. Love to hear from you guys. And gals. See you guys next time. Peace out, one love. Stay happy and natty. I'm God.